During one of World War II's most secretive naval operations, the Atlantic Ocean became the stage for an event that still baffles historians. In October 1943, German submarines threatened Allied ships, prompting the U.S. Navy to launch a top-secret program called the Philadelphia Experiment.
The Philadelphia Experiment involved a US Navy destroyer, with the concept being that if the ship were surrounded by incredibly intense electromagnetic fields, could it distort our vision of it enough that it became invisible?
Its goal was to make the USS Eldridge invisible using intense electromagnetic fields. On October 28, the fully crewed ship was wrapped in electrified copper wire, but the experiment went disastrously wrong. The vessel vanished into a green mist, reappearing hundreds of miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, and later back in Philadelphia. Reports claim it didn't just travel through space. It warped time, appearing decades into the future in places like Chicago in 1969 and Lake Mead in 1983.
Only to disappear and to continue across the time stream uncontrolled. The Eldridge just randomly skipped across time, achieving a rough form of time travel.
John Titor, a self-proclaimed time traveler from 2036, claimed he was sent to 2000 to retrieve an old computer. He warned of a civil war in the US and shared detailed explanations of time travel mechanics and multiverse theory.
He proceeded to post pictures of his time machine, which was installed in a 1967 Chevy Corvette. He also posted a picture of using the machine to bend a laser beam and of the machine's schematics.
Whether true or not, his predictions continue to fuel debates about the possibilities of the future.
His explanation for how time travel works was also very much the same, in that when you go back in time, you actually go to a separate world line.
Abducted persons.
Charles Hickson and Calvin Parker told of a strange craft landing near their fishing site and of being taken aboard by 3 unearthly creatures.
In the 1950s, a man named George Van Tassel claimed something unbelievable happened in the desert near California. He said a 700-year-old alien being woke him at night and took him aboard a spacecraft.
The man who invited me aboard, who didn't look a day over 28 years of age, told me that he was over 700 years of age in our time.
During that encounter, the visitor allegedly shared advanced knowledge and blueprints for a strange machine connected to time and powerful energy.
The difference was that we used dial instruments and they used vertical instruments like fluorescent tubes with marks on them. The instruments were marked in symbols similar to hieroglyphics.
Years later, another shocking claim appeared. In 1975, logger Travis Walton vanished for 5 days after approaching a glowing object in the forests of Arizona.